this bitch to our room.
Wait, what are we doing? They just heat it up now.
Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. Hey, I'm gonna take this bitch to the room.
There we go. Oh yeah, just.
We structured, shit. We structured, man.
We better hurry up and use it before everybody just.
I want to take that bit upstairs.
I know, but you know. Watch that till air.
Hey, check. We found a microwave. A microwave all night.
My eyes are straight open. I said, "What is that?"
Bitch, you smart. Golden eye looking at. Hey, what the fuck?
It stopped 3 minutes.
There you go. Yeah, bitch. Hey, man, I'll take this to the room. Man, I just ordered this. Real talk. Y'all want me to take the whole microwave? Then everybody ain't gonna use their shit.
No, they got this shit.
They got this. Is it crazy, Chad? Cause I gotta wait on Momo. You got your ID card?
No, they don't give me one. Remember, my shit only gonna be in there for like 3 minutes.
Ooh, nigga found a microwave, bitch. It's like Christmas in the hood, nigga. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I hate when I put water in my noodles and wait till that shit like you warmed it up, man. Real, bitch. Nigga found a whole microwave. Nigga, it's like Christmas in the hood, nigga.
You gonna start trapping out the dorm room.
Trapping out the dorm room. Nigga got a microwave with the isotol. Hey, look, we really could, cause when you get on the elevator, we just got on straight up. Nigga, what you doing, man? I just ordered this. You heard me? Just ordered it. What up? Somebody say take it. Man, we just got this bitch out the closet, man. I'll take that bitch up.
Why don't you just say you pulled it out your suitcase?
After this, take it straight up.
Oh, okay then. Then I heat it up there.
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah, I'm on the way. We're gonna sacrifice that one because you ain't gonna want to be.
Yeah, because it's already soggy.
So we're gonna take the whole microwave. Kyle around the corner. What corner he on? He coming. You looking for me? Nigga say, watch y'all to move tactical. Kai and DDG won't move. We good. We'll take this whole microwave. Shit, we found this. It's been unplugged and put up.
You're not wrong.
Kai. Oh yeah, it's structured. It's your structure.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah, I'm gonna take and I'm gonna grab the microwave. You hold that.
Give me your drink.
It's just a structure. You expel them up. They say they expelling people. You finna get expelled.
We should just leave it that.
Leave it.
Yeah, leave that shit alone.
Well, no, we're gonna put this bitch back where we found it.
I need to microwave my shit. Why don't you just leave it up?
Come on.
I already threw my shit away.
Fuck it, we're gonna come back.
All right.
I'm gonna send you back. Fuck it. I want that microwave.
Click it.
Oh. Oh, shit.
There you go. Now it's great.
They telling me to take that bit. Man, I want to take that bit. But I don't want to let my juices stuff win, and I take it and open it up and there go Kai. What are you doing?
Oh,
I'm saying nigga gave me this. I love. They telling me to take that big.
That's one Kylo.
Bro, we can go straight up, gang. Yeah, I can just set it right here. Take it.
Remember, we can't stay. God, hurry.
Five minutes. Oh, we can. And we found it, bro.
We found
and
that.
We ain't steal it.
Where y'all found that at?
We gonna put it back. We just found it, bitch. We just sitting.
We gotta make a mukbang now. All right.
Bitch, we gotta eat. We good, bitch. We structured. This shit structured. This shit structured. Why don't we noodles up, mama? Why don't we noodles up? What up, Chad? Shit, we structured now. You gotta plug that bitch up out of the door. So I'm trying to plug it. Nigga, plug it up under the bed, nigga.
You want some noodles or what?
You want some noodles?
Not right now.
This shit so good, Jay. Microwave came in handy, nigga. Hey, man, you ain't gonna doubt me down for this shit? Bitch, we roommates. We taking that lick together.
Oh, nigga said we taking that lick together, bro. I ain't heard that shit, man.
Who, Jay? Bitch, I turned you up. You ain't gotta go. You ain't
gotta go nowhere.
You ain't even gotta go do what we did, bitch.
Well, that's pretty good. Appreciate you for that, man. Appreciate you for that.
We super structured. Bitch, we got a microwave, bitch. Jay, bitch, I turned this up. Hey, look, cause we down there. They got this little hot water boiler, right? Man, shit wasn't gonna get your food right. So Momo turned around, and in the distance, he'll see a microwave. It's like a movie. Ooh, I swear to God, it's like a movie. Ooh. And Chusa thought in. We hurry up, grab and plug it up to warm our shit. He got some noodles, but he got the water already. You know what I'm saying, man? We gotta move quick and strategic. I grabbed it, took it up.
Oh, yeah, that's that big. Oh, yeah, that's that big. So when you come in here, just put that bit behind your head.
No, don't answer the door.
Huh? We sleep? So don't say that.
We're not opening our door chat for no nigga. Nigga gotta pay us to warm up they shit around this bit.
They got that little one. They got that little water heater.
They say DDG telling. DDG ready?
Jay, if you a real nigga, you'll take that route.
Nigga said, if I'm a real nigga, take that route. Boy, you got me fucked up, nigga. Nigga look like
Oh, I forgot we on your computer.
Take a charge. Do I look like a nigga that take a charge?
They say Kyle on the way. They cap. No, he's not.
Man, you better go put that in the middle on. Oh! Mute straight. Put that in the middle. You on a personal life, so it wouldn't matter. See, that's exactly why I wanted to play the game, son. GTRP would be way better, son. Y'all run just yelling and shit.
We just wait, man. My nigga Mama went on that GTA mission, bitch. We get it spelled together.
I guess so. Be your cameraman. You just make no sense.